Hey guys, I think or I thought I'd build a tutorial on this particular camera with the issue I was having, and of course what I did to solve the issue. Now of course you can pick this up on Amazon. These are nice handy cameras. There's a lot of cool features, but of course let me just show you what it looks like. It's a generic camera. They sometimes brand them, sometimes they don't. I'll put a link to it below in the description, but you can look at the overall look. If yours look just like this one, notice the overall design. There's a compartment right here. There's the mounting mechanism here, and of course there's these set of control here. There's the Ethernet port. There's what I think it was labeled as a reset button. There's the section for the adapter here. It does come with this here because since the entire setup is wireless. Now of course if you have one of these and you had it working for a while, they tend to stop working, or it might come out of sync with the app since it's an IP camera on your phone. So of course when you try to add the app once more and try to pair the device once again, you'll find that the device may not connect. Let me just show you what the app looks like. The app looks like this. Here we go over here. The app looks the same on Android as well as on iOS. It's called YCC 365 Plus. Now of course it's a cool app, but of course after a while the camera itself stops syncing with your device. If you try to reset it from here, I was trying to reset it from this button right here. Let me show you what the button looks like. It's just this button right here. I'm not sure what type of button it is, but I usually press this to reset. Usually you can fix issues where the device is not syncing. You can remove it from the app and add it again. However, I noticed after a while I was pressing this, I wasn't getting anything, nothing was happening, no reset, anything. But I found that if you open this compartment here, which was not in the manual, so if you remove the compartment, so you'll need a screwdriver, remove both screws. Alright, so once you get in here, do not yank it off. There's a wire behind here. You'll find that right here there is the memory card slot. Next here there's a reset button, and I think sometimes the one on the outside doesn't work. So what I had to do was to press this reset button right in here while the device is powered. Make sure the device is plugged in and powered. Press and hold the reset button once the device is reset. Then after that, try to sync your device once again, or in other words, try to resync your device with the app. And after that I was successful. Before it wasn't adding, it was just constantly failing. Alright guys, if you found this tip useful, give us a thumbs up. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Showing a quick tip with this cool camera here that you might have. Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.